Hi guys. So as you can see, this is my iPhone cord charger. I tried to make it look festive, very Christmassy. I wrapped it around like macrame style, and I put some beads in it that says Merry Christmas. And later I will put some more beads. It says my friend's name, so because I will give it to my friend for this Christmas. I hope she will love it. And you can try to watch my other videos about the tutorials about my new Christmassy DIY crafts. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and comment. I hope you will love it. Bye.